In the beginning, there were no flashing lights, no sirens, no rushing engines, just a wooden cart, two wheels, and hope. This is the evolution of the ambulance. And it's not just about vehicles, it's about human lives. Let's go back to the 1880s. Back then, ambulances were pulled by people or horses. Patients lay on hard stretchers exposed to dust, cold, and fear. Imagine being injured and knowing help is coming, but it's slow. Still, it mattered. Because for the first time in history, society said, saving lives is worth the effort. By the early 1900s, things began to change. Horse-drawn ambulances became more organized. Red crosses appeared, symbols of trust and mercy. Doctors didn't ride along yet, but compassion did. Then came the 1920s and 30s. Engines replaced horses. Ambulances finally moved faster than pain. They were loud, shaky, uncomfortable, but they arrived sooner. And sometimes, sooner was everything. The 1940s changed the game forever. War taught medicine a brutal lesson. Speed saves lives. Military ambulances returned home with new ideas. Stronger bodies, better suspension, trained medical staff on board. For the first time, treatment began on the way, not just at the hospital. By the 1960s and 70s, ambulances evolved again. Radios connected paramedics to hospitals, oxygen tanks, defibrillators. Heart attacks no longer meant instant goodbye. People came back. The 1980s and 90s brought professionalism. Ambulances turned into mobile ICUs, highly trained paramedics, standardized emergency care. Every second mattered, and now every second was used. Then came the 2000s. Computers inside ambulances, GPS navigation, real-time patient data. Doctors could see vital signs before the patient arrived. Hope traveled faster than ever. And now, welcome to today. Modern ambulances are silent heroes. High-tech monitors, life-saving drugs, telemedicine, even electric and hybrid units. Some can restart a heart. Some can stop massive bleeding. Some can save a newborn before reaching the hospital. From wooden carts in the 1880s to intelligent emergency units today, this evolution isn't about speed or design. It's about a simple promise. When life is slipping away, help is already coming. And tomorrow, ambulances won't just respond to emergencies. They'll predict them. Because the greatest evolution is humanity refusing to give up on life.